This is a review of the Forza 6 Xbox One that I would highly recommend. This Xbox One from Forza 6 is one of the best if you are a racing enthusiast or a car enthusiast, then this Forza 6 Xbox One will definitely not disappoint you. And I just love the overall blue color of this Xbox One. This does have a lot of cool features that I want to mention is that number one, when you turn this Xbox One on and you press this, I like how this is touchscreen. That's one thing I want to mention. And then when you touch this, it makes like a race car sound that it's very, loud. And, if you are a car enthusiast or a racing gamer, then this Xbox One is probably definitely for you. Overall, I use this to play Forza 6, and it comes with it as well too when you get the gaming device. Overall, I just love the Forza 6 Xbox One because it makes cool sound features too when you press on and off. When you press off, it looks like the engine's shutting off, which is a cool feature right there. That's a huge plus right there. And overall, I just love the Xbox One. It has the remote control also, as well too. That has the Forza 6 2 on it. That looks really amazing too. It matches with the console as well too. And yeah, I absolutely love my Forza 6. I have owned this Xbox One for about 3 years now. And I would definitely recommend this for any racing or gaming enthusiast that is a car lover. Then this Forza 6 Xbox One will definitely not disappoint you. And I highly recommend this console for huge racing gamers out there.